हेलो एंड वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की वीडियो क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है एंड आई विल बी टेकिंग अप द पोएम द टेल ऑफ कस्टर्ड द ड्रैगन बाय ऑग्डेन नैश फ्रॉम देयर बुक फर्स्ट फ्लाइट। इस पोएम में आई विल गिव यू द थीम, डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द पोएम एंड लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस यूज्ड। सबसे पहले जानते हैं ऑथर के बारे में। ऑग्डेन नैश was an American poet. He wrote over 400 pieces of comic verse. Some of his famous works are The Old Dog Barks Backwards, The Tale of Custard the Dragon, Celery, and Candy is Dandy, the best of Ogden Nash. Now children, what is the poem about? This poem is written in the style of a ballad. What is ballad, children? Ballad is a song or a poem that tells a story. This poem is a humorous ballad. This poem talks about a little girl named Belinda and her pets. We will come to know what they all pretended to be and how they all reacted in a particular situation. Now we come to the theme of the poem. This poem is based on the theme that appearances are deceptive. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि वो एक्चुअल में कैसे प्रिटेंड करते थे और कैसा उन्होंने रिएक्ट किया। ओके, दैट अपीयरेंसेस आर डिसेप्टिव। वो जैसे दिखते थे, जैसे वो प्रिटेंड करते थे, वो एक्चुअल में वैसे नहीं थे। Our assessment of people may be wrong. Everyone has qualities and is precious. Anyone can behave bravely in the time of adversity. Custard the dragon was mocked at by others for being so timid, means for being not so courageous. But he was the one who fought with the pirate, जो उनके घर में घुसने की कोशिश कर रहा था, and saved Belinda and others. Other pets who appeared to be brave proved contrary to it. वो अपने आप को बहुत ही ज्यादा बोलते थे कि हम तो बहुत ही ब्रेव हैं, पावरफुल हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअल में ऐसा नहीं हुआ जब उनके घर में एक पायरेट की एंट्री हुई। Now we start with the first stanza of the poem. This is a long poem, children. You have to be patient, listen very carefully and see the full video. First stanza, the poet has talked about Belinda and her pets. Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon and a realio, trulio, little pet dragon. Children, this line is repeated in the poem. Okay, Belinda जो है वो एक white house में रहती है अपने pets के साथ and the pets are a black little kitten and a little grey mouse and a dog of yellow color, and she had a little vehicle also, a small vehicle we can say. Wagon is a small vehicle that is drawn by the horse or the bull. And what else is there in her house? She has a pet dragon also. Riello, Triello, children, is the twisted words of really and truly. Why has the poet used, children, really and truly? Because it is very strange that a dragon can be a pet. That is why the poet says, yes, really or truly, it was a dragon only. Now we come to the second stanza of the poem. This stanza, children, is about the names of the pets. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse, she called him Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. But the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Now here, children, we have come to know that she has pets in her house. Basically, 4 pets: kitten, mouse, dog, and a dragon. She would call the kitten Ink, and the name of the grey mouse was Blink, and dog's name was Mustard, and the name of the dragon, who was considered as coward, whereas others are not coward. Okay, others are considered as brave and courageous. Only the dragon was the coward one. And his name was Custard. Children, we see that poet has used personification here when the poet is using, and she called him Custard. She called him Blink. Personification has been used here, children. Now, children, third stanza of the poem. Here the poet has talked about the dragon Custard's physical appearance. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. Mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and realio, trulio, daggers on his toes. Again, children, realio, trulio is repeated here by the poet. Custard had big sharp teeth and spikes and scales on his body. He had the ability to spit fire, and his nose is like a chimney that is used to pass out smoke. And his toes, means his feet, were so pointed and sharp like a dagger. Now we come to the fourth stanza of the poem, where the poet has described Belinda and other creatures. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Belinda is considered courageous with the strength of so many bears together, and the kitten and the mouse were so brave that they could even chase a lion down the stairs. Mustard, that dog, was brave, that yellow-colored dog, was brave like an angry tiger. The poet is saying, children, as brave as a tiger. Here, the poet has used the poetic device simile. But Custard, contrary to all, was a coward and cried for a safe cage. वो चाहता था कि उसको किसी एक केज के अंदर डाल दो ताकि वो वहां पर सेफ रहेगा, उसको किसी का डर नहीं लगेगा उसके अंदर. एंड चिल्ड्रन, बैरल का मीनिंग क्या है? बैरल इज अ बिग कंटेनर और ड्रम सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. मीन्स उसके अंदर जितने बेर आ सकते हैं और उनकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है टोटल, उतनी स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो बेलिंडा के अंदर है, उतनी ब्रेवरी, उतना करेज बेलिंडा के अंदर है. और यहां पर भी चिल्ड्रन पोइट ने सिमली यूज की है जब पोइट बोल रहा है एज ब्रेव एज अ बैरल. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, फिफ्थ स्टैंजा ऑफ द पोएम, where everybody is making fun of Custard. Belinda tickled him. She tickled him unmerciful. Ink, Blink, and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the Realio Trulio, cowardly dragon. Belinda would tickle the dragon unmercifully, means she would tease him. They called him, means the Ink and Blink and Mustard, they all would rudely call him Percival, who was a knight in the King Arthur's court, and he ran away as he lacked courage. Belinda and other creatures would sit in a little red wagon. They would laugh at Custard, calling him a coward. Now children, next stanza. Belinda giggled till she shook the house, and Blink said weak, which is giggling for a mouse. Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, when Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Whenever Custard would ask for a safe cage, Belinda would laugh her heart out. She would giggle, and her voice would echo in the house. She would laugh so loudly. And Blink and Ink and Mustard, they all would laugh. They would rudely, Ink and Mustard would rudely ask Custard his age. Means this way they all would make fun of him and would laugh loudly whenever Custard would ask for a cage to be safe. चिल्ड्रन, वो उसकी एज क्यों पूछते थे? क्योंकि वो उसको रियलाइज कराना चाहते थे कि तुम इतने भी बच्चे नहीं हो, तुम इतने भी छोटे नहीं हो कि तुम्हें अब एक सेफ केज की जरूरत पड़े. Now we come to the next stanza, where the poet has talked about the entry of a pirate in the house. Suddenly they heard a nasty sound, and Mustard growled, and they all looked around. Mewch, cried Ink, that's a kitten, and ooh, cried Belinda, for there was a pirate climbing in the window. Actually, window means window. Now children, what happened? All of a sudden, while they were making fun of Custard, suddenly there was a sound in the house. The nasty sound means very unpleasant sound, strange sound we can say. And hearing that sound, the dog Mustard growled. This is the habit of the dogs. Whenever any stranger comes or they see any stranger, the dog starts growling or barking. And they all looked around. Everybody looked around. Oh, from where? ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है? Where is the sound coming? The cat, she also made sound. Mew is the cat, the sound of the cat. Mewch is the sound of surprise. Belinda also started crying as they all saw a pirate entering the house through the window. Now we come to the next stanza, wherein the poet has described the appearance of the pirate. pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right hand, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. His beard was black, one leg was wood. It was clear that the pirate meant no good. Pirate was holding pistols in both his hands, and he had a knife in his teeth, and his beard was of black color, and one of his legs was made of wood, means artificial leg. Means he was a disabled person, but he was able to make everybody afraid in the house. It was clear that the pirate meant no good. ये उसकी जो है अपीयरेंस से ही पता लगता था कि पायरेट की जो इंटेंशंस हैं वो अच्छी नहीं है. वो उस घर में किसी पर्पस से आया, ऑब्वियसली लूटने के पर्पस से आया है. ओके. In the next stanza, poet has talked about the reactions of everyone in the house when they saw the pirate. Belinda paled and she cried, "Help, help!" But Mustard fled with a terrified yelp, his cry. It trickled down to the bottom of the household, and Little Mouse blinked, strategically mousehold. When they all saw the pirate, they all were really afraid. बेलिंडा का जो फेस है वो डर के मारे पीला पड़ गया. And she cried for help. But the dog Mustard, he fled away. He ran away from there crying for help. Terrified yelp. He gave a terrified yelp. Means he was extremely terrified and the dog cried. Ink trickled down. Trickled means he ran down the stairs to the bottom of the house and the little mouse blinked. He ran to his hole to save himself. Next stanza now. In this stanza, the unexpected behavior of Custard has been talked about. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon. With a clatter and a clank and a jangling squirm, he went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. अब क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन? जो कस्टर्ड है उसने एकदम से जंप किया. किसी को होप नहीं थी कि वो ऐसा करेगा. मेकिंग साउंड फ्रॉम हिज नोज, स्नोटिंग लाइक एन इंजन. जैसे इंजन की साउंड होती है वैसे ही उसने अपनी नाक से वो आवाज निकाली. एंड ही क्लैश्ड हिज टेल लाइक आयरन्स इन अ डंजियन. इसका मतलब क्या है चिल्ड्रन? कस्टर्ड हिट हिज टेल ऑन द फ्लोर एज इफ a metal or some iron is being rubbed in the dungeon, means in the underground cell. And all these words, clatter, clank, jangling, scrum, they are the sound words children here, and they are called onomatopoeia, means making great sounds. कि वो अपनी टेल से बार बार जो है वो फर्श के ऊपर उसको पटक रहा था जैसे गुस्से में. And he went at the pirate like a robin. Robin is a bird children. जैसे वो worm का शिकार करते हैं, वो जैसे एक झटके से उसको पकड़ लेते हैं, वैसे ही जो कस्टर्ड है वो पायरेट के सामने एकदम से जंप करके मेकिंग ग्रेट साउंड्स, लाउड साउंड्स, वो उसके सामने आकर खड़ा हो गया. हम इन शॉर्ट कह सकते हैं चिल्ड्रन कि अपनी बॉडी को हिलाते हुए, अपनी टेल को हिलाते हुए और अपने मुंह से डिफरेंट आवाजें निकालते हुए कस्टर्ड जो है वो एकदम से पायरेट के आगे आकर खड़ा हो गया. वो पूरे अटैकिंग मूड में था. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा इज अबाउट हाउ द पायरेट रिएक्टेड एंड देन व्हाट कस्टर्ड डिड. द पायरेट gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. He fired 2 bullets, but they did not hit, and Custard gobbled him every bit. The pirate was surprised to see Belinda's dragon's reaction, and he drank some drink from his pocket flagon. Means he was carrying a small container that is used for drink children. He drank some drink from that and he fired 2 bullets that did not hit Custard. उसने 2 बार जब वो गोली चलाई लेकिन वो Custard को नहीं लगी. And then what Custard did? Children, he ate, he gobbled, he ate every bit of the pirate. It means he just swallowed that pirate who was looking so dangerous to everyone in the house. Gobbled means children किसी चीज को निगल लेना, एकदम से खा जाना. In the next stanza, the poet has described the reactions of everyone in the house after Custard gobbled the pirate. Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and Blink in glee did gyrate. Gyrate means to dance around the dragon that ate the pirate. अब चिल्ड्रन क्या हुआ देखिए. Belinda was too happy She went and hugged Custard. And the dog, Mustard, he started licking him with love, obviously. No one mourned. किसी को भी ध्यान नहीं आया कि वो पायरेट मर गया है, हमें उसके लिए दुख मनाना है. Nobody was sad at the death of this pirate. Ink and Blink in glee. Glee means happy. They happily started dancing. Both the kitten and the mouse, they started dancing because their life was saved. Who saved? The dragon. And they started dancing around the dragon that had eaten the pirate. Next stanza now. In this, children, the poet has talked about how everybody changed after thanking him. Okay, let's read it. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. Flustered means confused. And up spoke Ink, and up spoke Blink. We would have been 3 times as brave, we think. And Custard said, I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. After praising Custard and after thanking him, being so grateful to him for saving their lives, they all realized what they had done because they had been calling him a coward. वो उसको डरपोक बोलते थे, लेकिन अब उनको उसकी प्रेस करनी पड़ी क्योंकि उन्होंने उसकी जान बचाई थी. उसने उसकी जान बचाई थी सबकी. एंड अब क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन? सबसे पहले मस्टर्ड ने बोला, द डॉग, येलो कलर डॉग, ही सेड दैट वो उससे ज्यादा ब्रेव हो सकता था. जिस तरीके से कस्टर्ड ने बिहेव किया, he would have been twice as brave as Mustard was if he had not got confused seeing the pirate. And then Blink ने भी बोला, Ink ने भी बोला, क्या बोला? कि that they would have been 3 times as brave. Mustard ने बोला twice, तो उन्होंने बोला thrice, 3 times more courageous than Custard. And Custard, who was so modest, who was so soft-hearted, we can say by these lines that he said, oh yes, I agree that everybody here in this house is braver than me. Children, after this, the poet is repeating the first 8 lines here, the same 2 stanzas, the same first 2 stanzas here, क्योंकि वो बताना चाहते हैं कि उस जो है fearful incident के बाद life was the same. मीन्स जो अपने आप को प्रिटेंड करते थे कि हम तो बहुत ब्रेव हैं, वो अपने आप को प्रिटेंड कर रहे थे. एंड द ड्रैगन कि हु डिड अ हीरोइक जॉब, ही वाज स्टिल अ कावर्ड. ही वाज स्टिल कंसिडर्ड अ कावर्ड बाय रेस्ट ऑफ द क्रिएचर्स. ही वाज स्टिल आस्किंग फॉर अ केज टू सेव हिमसेल्फ फॉर हिज सेफ्टी. चिल्ड्रन, पोएटिक डिवाइसेस के लिए मैं एक अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगी क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत बड़ी हो रही है. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching my video.